Welcome back to the Pre-Calculus Mathematics for Calculus textbook series. This lesson is written based on Chapter 3, Section 3, Part A, Long Division of Polynomials. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to use long division to divide polynomials by other polynomials. Now, before you start this lesson, you should know how to divide monomial expressions and divide whole numbers using long division. You're also going to refresh your memory with some of the following words. Let's get started. For our warm-up, let's do a long division problem using our arithmetic skills. Pause and restart when you're ready. I will start in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, how did you do? Okay, if this didn't go so well, don't worry, we'll review the steps together in the lesson today. When we're dividing polynomials, we use the division algorithm that you learned in school. Let's provide the following definition. Then go from there. In the division problem, p of x divided by d of x, the dividend, p of x, over the divisor, d of x, is equal to the quotient plus the remainder over the divisor. Alternatively, this can be written as the dividend equals the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. It looks very confusing, but I promise it will look easier soon. When you're dividing polynomials, it's very important to arrange the terms in each polynomial in order of decreasing degree. And sometimes you're going to find that there are missing degrees. So if that's the case, we have to use a placeholder with a coefficient of 0. So for example, the problem n cubed minus n minus 1 over n squared plus 1 would be n cubed plus 0n squared minus n minus 1. We need a placeholder for the 0 and for the square term. The divisor also needs a placeholder, so it would become n squared plus 0n minus 1 because we're missing a linear term. If you forget this, your subtraction step is going to not line up with your polynomial degrees, so it's a good check. Let's begin with 6x squared minus 26x plus 12, and we want to divide it by x minus 4. First, our dividend goes inside the division symbol and the divisor goes outside the division symbol. We do not have any placeholders in this case, so we can just get started. I use the phrase daddy, mommy, sister, brother to remember the steps. Daddy stands for division. We always begin by dividing our leftmost terms. In this case, we divide 6x squared by x to get 6x. The x squared goes above 6x squared. Now, mommy stands for multiplication. We multiply 6x by the divisor, x minus 4, to get 6x squared minus 24x. Oops, I'm on the subtraction sign already. Sister stands for subtraction. I'm going to subtract 6x squared minus 24x from 6x squared minus 26x to get negative 12x. Then brother means bring down. I bring down my 12. And then I repeat. Negative 2x divided by x is negative 2, that goes above. Negative 2 times x minus 4 is negative 2x plus 8. I subtract my two terms, and I get 4. Now, the division process here is finished because the degree of x minus 4 is higher than the degree of 4, so I can't keep going. Now, I just need to rewrite it in the right form, which is 6x minus 2, my quotient, plus 4 over x minus 4. My divisor is cut off. It's x minus 4. We should also write it in the other form, which is our quotient, 6x minus 2, times our divisor, x minus 4, plus our remainder, 4. We're given our dividend and divisor and asked to find the quotient and remainder. Now, the wording is complicated, but the process is basically the same. First, I need to add a placeholder for 0x cubed. So 8x to the 4th, plus 0x cubed plus 6x squared minus 3x plus 1. My divisor does not need a placeholder. So 8x to the 4th divided by 2x squared is 4x squared. 4x squared times 2x squared minus x plus 2 is that very long polynomial you'll see in front of you. I'm going to subtract to get 4x cubed minus 2x squared, bring down my negative 3x, and repeat. 4x cubed divided by 2x squared is 2x. Multiply through, subtract, and bring down. Now I'm done here because 2x squared does not go into negative 7x, so I can rewrite. So 6x squared minus 26x plus 12 is equal to my quotient, 4x squared plus 2x, times my divisor, 2x squared minus x plus 2, plus my remainder, negative 7x plus 1. That's the end of our polynomial long division lesson. And now this is a challenging topic, so remember to be patient with yourself as you learn. You're going to get it as you practice. Now, true or false? You can check your answer to a polynomial long division problem by using multiplication. Turn and chat with your classmate, and I will see you in the next one.